Welcome back to the channel, where we strip away the noise and focus on the systems that actually change your life. If you're here, it's because you're ready to reclaim your focus and your freedom. You didn't choose to be here. Whether it's the endless scroll of a smartphone, a substance, or a behavior that no longer serves you, addiction doesn't feel like a choice anymore. It feels like a passenger driving your car while you sit in the back seat. But here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's just highly efficient at a loop it was taught to follow. In the next 9 minutes, we aren't just going to talk about willpower. We're going to talk about the mechanics of how to take the wheel back. To break the cycle, you have to understand the dopamine spike. Contrary to popular belief, dopamine isn't about pleasure. It's about anticipation. Your brain craves the hit before you even engage in the habit. Over time, your brain downregulates its own receptors to handle this overstimulation. This is why you need more of the habit just to feel normal. The goal isn't to kill the craving, it's to allow the receptors to heal. Every addiction survives on a 4-step loop: the cue, the craving, the response, and the reward. The cue is a stressor, a location, or even a time of day. The craving is that mental itch. The response is the action you take, and the reward is the temporary relief. Write down your loop. If you find yourself reaching for a distraction every time you sit on the couch after work, the couch is your cue. You cannot stop the craving. Remember, willpower is a finite resource. It usually runs out by 5 p.m. Instead of using brute force, use environment design. Increase the friction. If you're addicted to social media, delete the app so you have to log in via a browser every time. Use the 10-minute rule. When a craving hits, tell yourself, I can have it, but I have to wait 10 minutes. Usually, the peak of a craving lasts less than 5. You also cannot leave a vacuum. You must find a replacement. If you stop one habit, your brain will scream for a filler. If you stop late-night snacking, replace it with a specific ritual, like making herbal tea. Most people quit quitting because they messed up once. They think a single slip-up resets the clock to 0. It doesn't. Think of it like a journey across the country. If you get a flat tire, you don't drive all the way back to the start, you fix the tire and keep going. Your progress is cumulative, not binary. The version of you that is free from this habit already exists. They are just waiting for you to make the environment match the vision. If this video helped you understand your own mind a little better, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future deep dives into human potential. Comment below with one cue you're going to remove this week. We're in this together.